Hello, my fellow NF peeps. My name is Dave Desautels. I'm part of the production team here at Daz and Taffy as the production coordinator. You've probably seen me around our Discord server as I help manage that community while doing QA for our NFPs. This video today will show you a small sampling of what goes on behind the scenes when it comes to QAing our NFPs. Not to mention all these will be sneak peeks that haven't been seen before since they're still going through our QA process. So all those thirsty people out there that want to see more of our NFPs, here you go. As you can see from my screen, I have a bunch of images that are being reviewed on an individual basis to ensure we provide a top quality product. Obviously, the video here has been sped up, so you can see more in the short time that we have here. But basically, we're scrutinizing each of these NFPs to make sure we're taking everything into account, including things like, is a hair working properly? Is it loading onto the head properly of the figure? Is the makeup applying correctly? Are all the materials applying correctly? Materials for the hair, the glasses, the mask, the face, the makeup, you name it, right? They all have materials on them that need to be rendered correctly. Are the expressions working? Is the pose or expression working with the accessories that have been applied? If you have a mask or glasses on, do you have an expression on the character? Sometimes you can run into an issue where the glasses morph with the expression in the mask, like this one right here. The mask morphed with the expression of the mouth. So we have to take that kind of stuff into consideration and make sure that's corrected. Is there any clipping going on? That's where one thing would be poking into another, like that necklace was poking through the clothing. Are the accessories working well together? If you have a mask and glasses, are those working well together or not, right? Any NFP that has issues identified with them, we send them through this process of basically good, bad, and ugly. If it's good, great, let's move forward. If it's bad, why is it bad? Like I'm circling these issues here. That one was too low in the screen. Hair had issues and the earring had issues. So we need to make sure we send those back to our team and make sure that those issues with that product get corrected. So make sure the earring is working properly with those ears. Make sure the hair is working properly and all the accessories are working properly. And fix that product and then re-render that image again, right? So not only are we QAing our NFPs, this is also helping us QA some of the products that we have in DAZ that either may have been missed, might be a new product, or who knows, right? So our team is working very hard to make sure that you have the best quality product possible. So when it comes to getting your NFP and turn it into something, your NFP will just be the start.